Ever found yourself staring blankly at your point-of-sale terminal, wondering how to get in touch with Lightspeed payment support? Or maybe you're setting up your new business and need to figure out the best way to process transactions. We've all been there. Navigating the world of payment processing can feel like trying to decipher a secret code, especially when you need a quick answer. That's why today, we're diving deep into a simple but crucial question. What is the phone number for Lightspeed payments? Now, before we jump straight into the digits, let's talk a little bit about why having the right contact information is so important. Imagine this. It's a busy Saturday afternoon, your store is packed, and suddenly your card reader goes down. Customers are lined up, and you're scrambling to figure out what's wrong. In a situation like this, having immediate access to support is absolutely critical. It can mean the difference between a smooth, profitable day and a frustrating, revenue-losing experience. Lightspeed Payments, like many other payment processors, offers a variety of support channels. While online resources, FAQs, and community forums can be incredibly helpful, sometimes you just need to talk to a real person. That's where the phone number comes in. It's your direct line to expert assistance, a way to get personalized help with your specific issue. So, let's get down to brass tacks. You're probably wondering, just tell me the number already, and I hear you. But it's not quite as simple as just listing one number. Lightspeed offers different phone numbers depending on your region and the specific product you're using. This is because they want to ensure you're connected with a support team that's best equipped to handle your needs. Think of it like this. If you're calling about a technical issue with your restaurant POS system, you'll want to talk to someone who specializes in restaurant technology. Similarly, if you're having trouble with your retail store's payment gateway, you'll need a different kind of expert. That's why simply Googling Lightspeed Payments phone number might not give you the most accurate or efficient result. You might end up with a general support line that then redirects you, wasting precious time. Instead, the best approach is to go directly to the source, the Lightspeed website. Now, I know what you're thinking. I'm watching this video so I don't have to go searching the website. And you're right. I'm not going to leave you hanging. I'm going to walk you through exactly how to find the right phone number for your needs. First, head over to the Lightspeed website. The exact URL might vary slightly depending on your region, but a quick search for Lightspeed should get you there. Once you're on the site, look for a support or contact us link. This is usually found in the header or footer of the page. Clicking on that link will typically take you to a page with a variety of support options. You might see FAQs, knowledge bases, community forums, and, of course, contact information. Look for a section specifically related to phone support. Here's the key. Lightspeed often organizes their phone numbers by product or region. So you might see separate numbers for Lightspeed Retail, Lightspeed Restaurant, Lightspeed Ecom, or different geographic locations. Take a moment to identify the product or service you're using and select the corresponding option. Once you've done that, the relevant phone number should be displayed clearly. It's a good idea to jot it down somewhere easily accessible, like your phone's contact list or a sticky note near your POS system. Now, let's say you're having trouble finding the phone number on the website. Don't panic. There are a couple of other things you can try. Many companies, including Lightspeed, have a live chat option on their support page. This can be a quick and convenient way to get your questions answered, even if you prefer talking on the phone. You can use the live chat to ask for the appropriate phone number for your region and product. Another option is to check your Lightspeed account. If you're already a Lightspeed customer, log in to your account dashboard. Often, you'll find contact information and support resources within your account settings. This can be a particularly helpful way to find personalized support, as Lightspeed may already have information about your specific setup and needs. Finally, if all else fails, you can try reaching out to Lightspeed through their social media channels. Many companies have dedicated support accounts on platforms like Twitter or Facebook. While this might not be the fastest way to get immediate phone support, it can be a good way to get general inquiries answered or to request a call back. Now, I know we've spent a bit of time talking about how to find the phone number, rather than just giving you one number, but that's intentional, because the truth is, the right number for you depends on your specific circumstances. By understanding how to navigate the Lightspeed support resources, you'll be able to find the most efficient way to get the help you need, whenever you need it. Remember, having quick access to support is crucial for any business that relies on payment processing. Whether you're dealing with a technical glitch, a billing question, or just need some general guidance, knowing how to reach Lightspeed payment support can save you time, money, and a whole lot of stress. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.